well, here are the stats I used. 96 hit points, 99 range, 83 defense, 70 prayer. I'd recommend 80 plus hit points, 70 plus defense, 75 plus range, and 43 plus prayer. Alright, well, here's the recommended inventory to bring. 100 purple sweets, a range pot, 17 superstores, and 9 Cerebrews. Purple sweets, they heal 1 to 3 each, and they're stackable. Alright, here's the gear I recommend. Just a Toric Helm, Fury, Ava's Accumulator, some Diamond Bolts, Rune Crossbow, Armor Top, or Carol's Top, Unholy Book, Ferric Skirt, Dragon Gloves, Barrow's Gloves, and some Snakeskin Boots. Alright, hey everybody, this is my new Jad guide, I guess. Oh shit. Anyways, I hope I get an Italy rock spawn. It'll be much easier to kill. Anyways, this is the last 360 to go. So I'm just gonna pot up. Hope that I can hit something. I'll show you what the sounds look like and everything. Right after you kill the second 360, you run over here, put protect from range on, pro range, protect from missiles. You stand here. Come on, Ellie rock spawn. Damn it, didn't get it. Protect from that. See, he's maging right now. One hell of a noob. I just hit a fucking 36. Damn. That would be range. And that would be mage. That would be mage.
Here's my key. Philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax. Take your time. And take your time to trust in me. And you will find infinity, infinity. And take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. And time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity. Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time. And take your time. Trust in me, and you will find infinity, 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 infinity. time to trust in me, and you will find. And time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity. One, two, alright, like this. 1, 2, we got it for you. 3, 4, lock your door. 5, 6, suck on my dick. We'll get signed, we'll never die. 1, 2, we got it for you. 3, 4, lock your door. 5, 6, suck on my dick. We'll get signed, we'll never die. Hands I can feel the needle back up inside of my eyes. They try to tell me I'm inside, make me that wise. So come and take me out high. This monster that you made of me, I feel like dying, erasing all of these nightmares. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private lies at night. I need you to try to save my life before I get outside. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction. 3 fire cakes.